June Bugs. That's my nickname. Yeah.
You found your nickname! Woo!
Thomas.
I'll go with that.
Thomas.
I'll go take right behind you.
It's just a June bug.
Oh yeah, that's not a June bug, Chago.
You can't do those ones.
Really?
That's so easy. That's a lot in there. I told you to wait for those last ones.
I thought that was illegal. You
gave it to me.
Yeah.
Do some regulars. Do some regulars.
Put that one in the box, that thing. I want to hurry up. I like that 12 round one real quick.
What time is it?
Light it up real quick. Yes. Come on.
Tony, were these the ones that you threw off?
No, it's this one.
Oh, look at these ones are missiles.
No.
Cameras look like these ones.
Guys, that might be an undercover cop.
Why would it be undercover? They have all of them out.
Big ones are coming in! I'm gonna sit back here!
Thomas, look at where he's at. Thomas,
Babe, wait.
Thomas!
there's a car.
Thomas!
Because we don't know who that is.
We don't know. You better go across the street and do that. Cameras all freaking out.
Look at what they're lighting. I want to see some of that shit.
What do you say? I want to see some of that shit. Look at their lighting. Is that one of those big ones? Yeah.
Babe, wait.
Don't.
It's a. Here, Rena, you want a sparkler?
I do.
Sparkler?
What if we start a fire?
Thomas, no, not right there. It's on the side of the box.
I want a lighter!
Once you light that, we're done.
I want a lighter upper!
Huh?
I want
Here, there's a whole bunch of them in the box.
fire time. Oh, God. There were like little circles and it popped up.
Look at it. It makes so much smoke.
I'm holding a sucker.
Dang, you have a lot.
Twice?
A lot of what?
I didn't have
A lot of sparklers.
What's your name? Adri's?
Adrian.
No, on social media.
Bro.
Well, I don't know what your name is.
Bro.
Thomas, I told you if you light that, we're done.
But we don't even have that many fireworks.
Do it, Dad.
Do it, Dad. Look at this girl.
Don't do it anywhere close to here.
Oh, that one ain't got shot off yet?
What? No. Put some regular stuff with it though,
My stomach hurts.
Why?
just in case.
The light.
What? It's just in the
Being
sky.
I know, bro. Come on, man.
You don't get
Dad,
hit
do
with
the
$1,000
golden
fine.
shower!
Ain't nobody gonna get hit with
$1,000 fine?
Hey, Nino, can you do the golden shower?
Yeah, I'll do it right now.
Dad, here.
See, look at that, man.
Thomas, they're doing one mortar at a time. That has 12.
It's okay.
Definitely go. So I said it's gonna be a lot.
Look at I'm just gonna light the whole box of them mortar.
It's at the top.
These are all freaking out.
You have no idea.
I know. They're like, there's you right there.
Lit. What do you think?
Stop.
Is that one illegal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's illegal?
That one, the other
It's
one.
in the sky. So that one was.
Yeah.
I know.
Smoke is good.
Smoke is rejected.
It's okay. There's plenty of smoke everywhere else.
Do the big box, Daddy.
No, Rena.
Right now, we have to go somewhere else to do the big box.
Yeah, because there might be an undercover cop.
No, there's too many trees and stuff.
Who cares?
Do you want this whole thing to burn down? Is that one illegal too?
That's the shower one.
What, my love? Oh, her sock came off.
No.
No.
Shit.
Not that one. No, it's the way you lifted her foot, it looked like her stuff.
These suck, man. I want to see some good shit.
You don't like celebrating stuff.
4th of July is all about fireworks in the air, not on the ground.
Did you hear what I said? When you get the money, when it's your money on the line, go right ahead.
What? Ain't nobody gonna say I found that.
I found it.
You would have found it.
I found on the street.
Can I see it again? Look at the June bug. That's May. They made it after May. They made it after May.
It's not worth $1,000.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Hell
The
no, it's
smile on
not.
my kid's face, it is.
Here, Dad, do the June bug.
Yes.
No.
Here, Dad, catch it, do the
My
June
mom's
bug.
face is not private. That's in the house.
Yo, bubble.
Where's the illegal one?
In the box.
Dude, you need to put it somewhere else. They're gonna look through the box.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
They can't charge it. Yeah.
They'll just take it.
Yeah, let's take it.
And they'll go do it at their house.
Go to the position.
Now they're just added to the fucking
Fireworks show.
That's it.
Big box now.
Time for the motor.
It's fountains.
Where are we gonna do it at though? That's the thing. Where are we gonna do
Don't we
it
go
at?
do it out there by the field?
That's it. Yeah. Time's up there by the time. Look at it.
I say go put it over in the right. We'll just clean this up right here.
And watch it from over there.
Okay.
Look at that. They're doing a lot.
I know.
Probably the tall one.
They're doing those ones.
Wait, babe.
Junior,
Hold the gate open for Thomas. Raina, go get your jacket.
I'll hold it open. Oh, no, yeah.
Somebody's gotta hold it open for Thomas so he can get in.
No, on the sidewalk. There's a up and down sign.
Like away from that tree though.
Yeah, in the middle, yeah.
Yeah, let's just catch this tree on fire, sure.
You need to hurry up. Thomas don't care. Poor Thomas really don't care.
Wait.
Thomas, wait.
Wait, let's go. Just carry her in. It's unlocked. It's unlocked.
No.
I'm trying.
You having trouble? Up, put your foot a little higher. There you go.
I got it. Oh. I don't got it.
Come on. That was a nice.
Thomas, are you gonna hold this open?
I got it. You are. Oh, no, you can't run fast enough.
Thomas, come on.
Oh, you lit it?
Woohoo!
Was that 12?